PS, Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry, Abubakar Hassan, AWS leadership, CEOs, captains in industry, all other protocols observed. I think, Mike, I should have remembered to say what you taught me in Mombasa. I'm riding on other protocols. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a great day. I was quite excited when I walked in and to the floor down there. And I actually thought I walked into a Safaricom building. Your Excellency, about 70% of the team there once worked in Safaricom. And even those who did not work, like I can see someone laughing back there, they were associated with Safaricom. And so we're happy that we believe we are a hotbed of talent, not just for local companies, but also for international companies. I think over the years, when this journey started, Robin and I were reminiscing. We were called for a Captains of Industry roundtable at Kempinski in 2019. And Michael Joseph couldn't attend, and he asked me to attend. I didn't quite know what was going on. It was quite rushed. And we started discussing that AWS was interested in coming to Kenya. And they wanted commitment from the industry that we would. I guess being new to my job, I said, let me take this up. Today, we run over 60 applications on AWS, including my Safaricom app, our Zuri chatbot, my county app, and many others. We have over 600 servers running there. We'll soon be launching our new artificial intelligence and machine learning platform running on AWS that was designed in this very building. One of the first customers who came here to collaborate. We've run joint hackathons. And when I see and get sometimes notes from some of our team members who've gone to work in the UK, in Germany, in Ireland, they always say that opportunity they got has made a very big difference for them. For some of them, they had never boarded a plane, let alone gotten a visa to go to foreign countries.